Hi everyone, welcome to Hasa Learning Tech. So in today's video, we are going to deal with the problem printing of natural numbers using while loop. So in previous video, we have done the problem printing of natural numbers using for loops. But in today's video, I am using while loop to print the natural number. So let's see the code, how to write the program. So first of all, I need to take the input from the user. To take the input from the user, I am writing this statement enter a number. So whenever the user sees this statement, the user can understand. So I have to enter the number. So after that, I need to define a variable with value 1. So why? Because in for loop, by default we are going to, in the syntax, use the I. By the range function, the I is going to be automatically assigns the incremented value. So but in while loop, we need to write the variable outside the while, and after that we need to check whether it is less than or equal to input given by the user. Suppose if the variable is less than to the input given by the user, it needs to be printed. So after that I need to increment the value. So the statement is nothing but I equal to I plus 1. So to write the I equal I plus 1, we can also write in this form. So this is also called the statement of I equal to I plus 1. So every time the I value checks here, so whether the I value is less than or equal to the input given by the user. So if it is less than the input given by the user, it's going to be printed here. So let's run the program to see the output. So Python 3 naturals.py. So it's asking for a number. So whenever I given say 5, it prints up to 5. Whenever I given 10, it prints up to 10. So this is the way we have to write the problem by using while loop to print the natural number. So if you really like this video, share with your friends. So to download my course, follow the GitHub link in the description. If you go to that GitHub link, so you can get the codes of my logical problems. So you can download those problems and you can practice over there. So if you really like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.